Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Chat in Infinite Yield. To begin, you will need to open the Infinite Yield command bar, typically by pressing a designated key like the backtick or semicolon. Once open, type the command Bubble Chat on and press Enter. This action activates the Bubble Chat feature, allowing your messages to appear as floating text above your avatar for all nearby players to see. It is a straightforward process taking only a few seconds. Once Bubble Chat is active, sending messages is incredibly simple. Just use the regular in-game chat bar as you normally would. Type your message, whether it is a quick greeting or a detailed instruction, and then press the Enter key. Your text will instantly appear as a bubble above your character's head, visible to anyone within approximately 50 studs of your location. This makes it perfect for localized communication and quick interactions with players nearby. Infinite Yield offers several commands to customize your Bubble Chat experience. For instance, you can use commands like bubble color followed by a color name or hexadecimal code to change the bubble's hue. Other commands might allow you to adjust the text size or how long a bubble remains visible, typically between 3 and 10 seconds. Experiment with these options to personalize your chat, making it more distinct or easier for others to read in various game environments. For the best experience, keep your Bubble Chat messages concise, ideally under 20 words, as longer texts can be difficult to read quickly. Avoid sending rapid-fire messages, as this can be disruptive to other players. Bubble Chat is excellent for quick, localized interactions, like asking a nearby player a question or giving a brief instruction. Always remember that all chat, including Bubble Chat, must adhere to the game's rules and community guidelines to maintain a positive environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.